Welcome, quizzers and coaches, to the JBQ Quiz Talk podcast. Here's your host, Dan Anderson.
Welcome. I wanted to take a few minutes today to show you how to update your existing database. Again, this is using the ScoreKeep software in conjunction with the BibleQuiz.com database server. So we're going to get started here. So customarily, you would come into this screen when you go to BibleQuiz.com registration.BibleQuiz.com. First thing you want to do is go ahead and log in. Go ahead and make sure you're in the proper division. Today we're going to be working with a TBQ database. We're going to be working in the Penn, Florida database. So we're going to go ahead and hit up this cog. Now, you're only going to get this cog or gear or settings tab if you are the event coordinator or someone that oversees the event. So we'll click that cog. We're going to come in here and we're going to click downloads. All right. Now, again, this is assuming that all of your teams in your area section are registered and ready for you to proceed, right? This is not to do before they register. This is something to do after they've already gone to the site, updated their team information. Their teams are set. They're ready to go. Now all you have to do is set up your meet for upcoming meet. Okay. So we're going to select event Excel report, and it's going to automatically download. You'll see the download signal right there. It's up. It's downloaded. I always grab the old one too because I'm old. So I grab the ScoreKeep report Excel as well. All right. The next step is we're going to go ahead and open up our ScoreKeep software. Usually this big red BQ should indicate that. Once you're open, you can maximize the screen however you prefer. We're going to go ahead and make sure that I am the registered user. So I'm going to change the user, even though it says my name. I'm going to hit that button. You're going to get a quick message. I'm going to log in. And now I'm in. So we do that just to help in the whole process. Go ahead and you can shut that window down or minimize it however you want to do. Next, we're going to go to import team information. So again, import team information. We're going to go into our downloads folder. If that's where you download it, Microsoft usually does that automatically. We're going to go ahead and grab the registration. We'll do the first one that I downloaded. Give it a minute. Got an error there. You can go ahead and dismiss the error and see if it'll progress naturally. If it doesn't, we'll try the other database. Or data file, excuse me. Doesn't appear as though it grabbed anything. We'll try it again. Import team information. Download file. We'll try the ScoreKeep one. There we go. It's all there now. We're going to add new or update existing team, quizzers, and officials. So we want to make sure that box is checked. All right, there's all of our information. You can go ahead and sort this information if you'd care to via these different tabs on top here, but that's a topic for a different video. We're going to stop this one here. From this point forward, creating a meet and importing questions will be two separate videos. So God bless you. Have a great day. Thank you for all you do for the Bible Quiz Ministry and the impact you're having on not only our student lives, but what's happening in their family dynamic and how you're helping further family discipleship. God bless you. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.